Niella, they use my products, but whenever I do the same makeup application, my makeup doesn't last. I'm going to be shaking tables, I'm going to be scattering tables today. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we are back with another video. So today's video, just as the title says, I'm going to be talking to you about reasons why your makeup does not last. You know, I have had questions over the years, you know, from people telling me that, oh, whenever a makeup artist does their makeup lasts. They use my products. Niella, they use my products, but whenever I do the same makeup application, my makeup doesn't last. It comes out rough and it's just not nice. So if you're among this category, you need to sit down, grab a bucket of popcorn, Coke, water, juice, smoothie, anything. Sit down and let us talk real gist. If you see my face for the first time and yet to subscribe to my channel, I'd love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel while you're at it. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any new video whenever it goes live on my channel. And if you're an oldie and an OG, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys are the realest MVPs. So guys, let us get into today's video. First things first, the real reason why in fact, let me even say the number one reason why your makeup doesn't last longer or doesn't last long, or your face is rough whenever you do your makeup, or your makeup is just trash, is number one, it is in your application. I have seen a lot of people when they're applying their foundations or they're applying their powders, it feels like they are fighting with their face. Why are you fighting with your face? It's not by force. Nobody forced you to apply makeup. You decided to wear makeup maybe because you wanted to go for a wedding, because you wanted to go to work, or because you felt like you needed, you know, some touch up to go to church. Do not fight with your face. When applying makeup, the application is the key. If you don't do the right application for every step in your makeup application, your makeup is going to look like trash, especially when it comes to complexion products and also face routine. You see people struggling with their face like they are fighting with the makeup sponge or the powder puff. Let me even take example for the powder puff. A lot of people who do their own personal makeup, like, you know, all those quickie kind of makeup, tend to use powder puff. I won't say don't use powder puff, but trust me, brushes are better. Powder puffs are best utilized, or they are at their best when you're using it to do touch up. But when you are reapplying powder for the first time, powder brushes are better. This is my own opinion. You don't apply your powder or your foundation like you're fighting with your face. I even see people who use beauty blender. It's like they're beating their face and they're punching and they're slapping it and they're fighting. If you're fighting with your face that way, your face is going to fight back with you. Yes, it's going to say, oh, Shebi, you're fighting me. We are going to fight the face and this makeup is not going to last long. When applying, please be gentle on your face. You don't want to increase your skin concerns just from the way you apply your makeup. Another thing why your makeup doesn't last long is you're using the wrong tools. You're using the wrong tools for a particular step. Yes, I have seen people use beauty blenders to apply powder. I am not joking, like all over powder. After using it for their foundation, they use it to apply their powder. Why? Maybe the powder puff in their powders, their compact powder is bad, or it is, you know, ruined, and they are too lazy to buy another one. And because they have a beauty blender, it seems to make sense, you know, using it to apply powder all over the face. Please, if you are doing it, stop it. I beg you in the name of Jesus, Lord, stop it. Stop it. Use your makeup brushes. Use your powder brush to apply your powder. Powder brushes are not expensive. We have cheaper ones you can buy from Amazon, you can buy from AliExpress, you can buy from your local beauty stores. I don't think it's so much of a big deal for you to use beauty blenders in place of powder brushes. All wrong now. All wrong. The next reason why your makeup looks like trash and your makeup doesn't look good or your makeup doesn't last long is, yeah, I would say primer. Primer is cliche. You don't do your skincare routine well, because if your skin is not at rest, if your skin is not peaceful, if you're layering other products on your face, it's going to react. So if you do your skincare really well, I am sure your makeup is going to love you. Let us not forget that having a good skin is the key to a flawless makeup. That's just the truth. I am not going to mince words, I'm not going to lie, but if you have a good skin and you apply your makeup well, your face is going to love it. You're going to do little or nothing when applying your makeup. Yes, that is the truth. No rush. Don't rush. That's the thing. Nobody's saying you cannot do makeup application in 10 minutes. People who tend to do their makeup in 10 minutes, they would have skipped a particular routine. Like me, if I'm going to be doing my makeup in 10 minutes, I'm going to be doing my face routine. I'll probably not highlight, I'll probably not contour, or I'll just contour, I won't highlight. I am going to be doing my brows and line my eyes, wear mascara, lipstick, and I am out. You get, I'm not even going to try to start doing eyeshadow to blend anything. No way. And I'm going to be using a foundation buffing brush to do that. So while I'm applying, I am also blending my foundation. It's going to save me a lot of stress and it's going to save me a lot of time. Make sure you do your skincare routine very well before you begin to slap makeup onto your skin. Another reason your makeup looks like trash or your makeup doesn't last long, like I said, primer. Yeah, we know primer is cliche, but if you know you want a long-lasting, your makeup to last longer than normal, even if a lot of foundations here and there promises, you know, 24 hours long wear, nobody wears their makeup for 24 hours. Like, yeah, nobody does. I can't wear my makeup today by 12 and I'm going to have it on tomorrow by 12. Why? I no go bath. You get? So like I said, even if some foundation brands tends to promise you 12 hours wear, 8 hours wear, 10 hours wear, if you have an oily skin, you need to prime. You need to take care of that oiliness. You need to control the sebum, you know, before you begin to apply foundation, because once, like I said, once you don't take care of it, there's no magic. There is no magic whatsoever. If you like, layer foundations upon foundations upon foundations of work. So you need to ensure that, especially if you have oily skin, ensure that you have taken care of that oily skin. Maybe use an oil-free moisturizer, or you end up using a niacinamide serum, because it helps to also it helps to control oil. Yes, niacinamide serum helps to control the production of sebum around the places you tend to, you know, secrete oil the most. So you can use that in your skincare routine, or you use an oil-free moisturizer before you slap on makeup. Then you do your primer and then you do your foundation. Another thing, and the most important thing, and I think this is going to be the last, is, baby girl, your makeup tools are dirty. Yes, if it means me to shake tables, I'm going to be shaking tables. I'm going to be scattering tables today. I have seen people, oh my god, this is not a joke and this is not a lie, because I am the only one that uses my makeup brush, or because I'm the only one that uses my powder puff, I will not wash it. Sister, do you know, and we all know that sometimes we do this makeup in a hurry with the humidity in Nigeria. If you're living in Nigeria and if you're even doing your makeup in the summer and there is no fan close to you, with the heat and mixture of the products, you really don't know what you're going to be leaving. You really don't know what's going to be getting on your brush when you set it back into your makeup bag or box and close it. Then the next day you take the same brush, haba. Even if you don't wash your brushes every day, please invest in a brush cleanser. That is the lazy girl's ways to have clean brushes at every point in time. You see people using their powder puff for days, for weeks without washing. My goodness, how do you expect your makeup to look fresh and look good? It's just like wearing a dirty pants on you know, it's just like wearing a dirty pants, or you wear a pants during your period and the blood stains your pants, and you take that same pants and you wear it again for the rest of the week. That's how it feels. That is the gospel truth. So if you're among those people, I know you that you're about to comment under this video, you do it. Invest in a brush cleanser. Sometimes they'll say it's not advisable to wash your brushes all the time because you might end up making the brush bristles, like making it weak, and before you know, the brush may not really last long. But invest in a brush cleanser. I used to use the Clinique's brush cleanser, and I've used brush cleansers from Nigerian brands. Currently, I don't know brush cleansers to buy recently, but I think I'm going to be, getting brush cleansers again from Nigeria if I haven't made up my mind. But I normally wash my brushes immediately after every video. This is me. So clean your tools. You cannot be using beauty blenders for 1 week, even for one, as in, are you not irritated using a dirty beauty blender to reapply your makeup the next day? Are you not irritated? I will be irritated. I will be disgusted using a dirty makeup brush to reapply my makeup the next day, the same brush the next 2 days, next 3 days. Come on. Yes sis, yes sis. Those are the reasons why your makeup doesn't last longer, or your makeup looks like trash whenever you apply them, or your makeup looks rough after your application. So like I said, application is key. The way you apply your product is key to ensure a flawless foundation, even as well as doing a very good straightforward skincare routine, and ensure that you tackle your skin concerns. You can't have an oily skin and you don't take care of your oily skin, and you're using a foundation that is not matte. There's no how that makeup is going to last long. There's no how that makeup will not run, and there's no how that makeup will stay. Okay, so I think I am done with this rant in this video, and I hope you've learned one thing or two. If you are among those people that are doing these things that I said in this video, sisters, please stop it. It is not a joke. This is not a joking matter. Please stop it. And once in a while, allow your skin to breathe. Go about your daily activities or your day-to-day without wearing makeup. I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead, guys.